Hey beauties, welcome to my first ever YouTube tutorial. My name is Maria. If you follow me from Instagram, you probably know that I am obsessed with eye makeup. If you want to find out how I created this fall inspired look, just keep on watching. First of all, I'm going to work on my crease. I'm taking a yellow eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette on my M441 brush, and I'm just really blending this in my crease up to my brow bone. I applied some tape on my outer corner because I really want that sharp, beautiful eye makeup look, and it will just help me with my eyeliner as well. I'm just building up the eyeshadow until I have the desired pigmentation. After the yellow, I'm going in with the shade Hans from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just packing this on with a flat brush a little bit below the previous shade, and I'm going in with my M514 brush to just blend out the edges, and I just keep on adding the orange and the yellow shade until I have this beautiful gradient look. Working with darker eyeshadows in your crease, make sure you use a smaller blending brush. If you take a bigger blending brush, it's gonna just look very messy, and there's not gonna be any gradient beautiful look, and you're gonna just lose your transition shades. Next, I'm going in with this deep pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid, a bit in my crease as well, because this is going to help me to blend out my next eyeshadow. After blending out my transition shades, I'm just going in with the purple shade from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It is a beautiful metallic shimmery eyeshadow and super pigmented. I didn't use any MAC Fix Plus or something. Here I'm just building up the shade. I'm really packing the shade on because I really wanted to be kind of popping. And then I am going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with the shade Beam and Light from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. These eyeshadows are amazing for highlighting. Next, applying my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Inglot Amc gelliner in 77. It is a really nice jet black gelliner, and I'm using this for 2 years now, and I'm completely in love with this product. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know how much I talk about this. Coming to my bottom lash line, I'm going to use the same shades I used in my crease before. So here I'm just going in with the shade Hans from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, which is my favorite, by the way. You guys, if you're looking for a good palette, you should definitely get your hands on that one. So I'm just blending out the orange shade with the yellow from Morphe 35B palette, and then I'm gonna go in with the dark purple shade. Once my bottom lash line is all blended and smoked out, I'm going in with some mascara, and here I'm using the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. Coming to the last step, I'm going to show you how I apply lashes. I have trimmed these already, and I have applied some Duo lash glue as well. You can see I'm holding the lashes with some tweezers. You can use your fingers as well. And I'm just looking down at my mirror, and I'm gonna just apply these very close to my lash line in the center, and then I'm going to secure the corners. By the way, these lashes are from my upcoming lash line, so stay tuned to my channel to find out when I'm going to launch these. These will be available in Pakistan as well as America and Canada. Taking a lash applicator, I'm just pressing my natural lashes and my falsies together so it doesn't look kind of separately or too fake. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this tutorial helped you a bit and I could give you some tips and tricks. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to leave your comments, your suggestions down below. And yeah, thank you for watching.